Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Musicians. Protect your ambitions with Clixtell. We monitor each and every visit to your website, detect click fraud, and secure your PPC budget by blocking any attempt to attack your Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns. With Clixtell, you can immediately and automatically prevent from attackers seeing your ads. Our user-friendly software enables you to secure your Google Ads budget by constantly preventing click fraud activity. Adapt in real time. If you make a mistake in a traditional advertising campaign, you must either wait out the rest of the campaign or terminate it altogether. This is not the case with PPC, and if something isn't working, you'll get immediate feedback so you can fix it. You might use PPC to alter the video to an older one and update the slogan to "Come and see the most recent video on our page." Clixtell is your one-stop dashboard for all your digital marketing needs. Clixtell is a software as a service company that provides advanced solutions for businesses and digital marketing agencies, specializing in detecting and preventing invalid click activity in Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns and call tracking services. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.